Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my phonics class. Today in this video we'll have a quick recap of the sounds that we have learned through the previous videos. So are you ready? A says a, apple. B says b, ball. C says k, cat. D says d, dog. D, dog. E says e, elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. F says f, fish. F, fish. G says g, grapes. G, grapes. H says horse. Horse. H says horse. I says igloo. Igloo. I says igloo. J says jug. Jug. J says jug. Okay, children. K says k, a hard k, kite. L says lion. Lion. M says monkey. Monkey. N says nest. Nest. O says orange. Orange. P says parrot. Parrot. Q says queen. R says rose. Rose. S says sun. Sun. T says tree. Tree. Okay, children. Now see my next video for some more sounds. Thank you.